Alright guys, this was pre the TRX. He's building a TRX out of the regular Ram. It's a 2016 Ram in Voodoo Blue. And if you want to follow him, it's, what is it? Your Instagram?
Voodoo_Ram.
Voodoo_Ram. This is all the stuff he's got built into it. Go ahead.
It's got a Ford 5.7 block with 392 stroker in it. Big cam, bunch of tuning, bunch of extra work done to it.
Got lug tube headers, high flow cats, FLOWMASTER. We just installed some FLOWMASTER 44 series on it for him. It's got a really nice stance to it. Everything's all custom, bumper, everything. He's even got side exhaust. We'll show you guys in a second about it. I hope you guys like it. Let me let you see the undercarriage. So there's a FLOWMASTER Super 44s we put on for him. He had some Borlas that blew out. Too much power. So he needs something like a FLOWMASTER with a lot thicker metal in it. And then he did his own custom work out the side. And you guys can see even over the gas tank over there to make it go out on the side in front of the tire. There and there. And then that's where he had it custom cut to put the tips. As you guys can see, and the same thing on the other side. It's got big wheels, wide fenders, everything. It's really nice. I like it. We'll let you guys hear it. The Voodoo Ram with FLOWMASTER Super 44 true duals. You can hear the gas. That sounds so good. Sound decibels? Wow, 122 on the sound. That's awesome. If you guys want to follow his build, it's at Voodoo_Ram on Instagram. And the FLOWMASTER 44s we put on are the 943047s, offset center. And then the other side was center. I don't have the box for it. We'll let you guys have a link in the description for it if you guys want it. That's a really awesome truck. Really clean. I love working on custom stuff. The idle too, man. That idle sounds good. I'm jealous, man. I want to do that to my truck.
Let's game your truck.
Let's do it.
That sounds good.
We'll let you guys hear on the inside. The Voodoo Ram. For good reason, because it sounds mean. There's my Ram, there's his Ram. My Ram, his Ram. My Ram will start looking like his Ram soon. We're gonna build it. Coming soon. It's got FLOWMASTER 44s, long tube headers, high flow cats, side exit exhaust on each side. Just a beast of a truck. Wide body. And like always, guys, please follow him if you guys want to see more of his videos and his work. And he's a really cool guy. If you need any help on your Ram, just hit him up at Voodoo_Ram on Instagram.